Today's lockdown tutorial on your Saab 9.3 windshield washer nozzle replacement. I'm going to show you how to remove these out of the bonnet and how to put them back in. The windscreen washer jets are in the bonnet, behind the bonnet pad. To get at them, at the very least you'll need to remove one of the clips and unhook the bonnet pad from these tags in the inner bonnet panel. The only way I've found of being able to get the stock clips out is to get a pair of side cutters in there and cut them. Cut the heads off, then you can remove the bonnet trim. And I've then replaced them with 8mm fir tree fixings with a 25mm head. So release your fixings and gently lift your pad out of the body panel features. Once you can reach inside, here's the back of the washer jet. Pull off the hoses. First of all, give them a twist and then pull them off. Now, if they've been on there a long time, because you've never taken these off before, they may be stuck and you may have to just cut the hose just beyond the end of the pipe and then cut off the little remnant. There should be enough slack to be able to put it back together afterwards. Once you can get at the back side of the washer jet, you should be able to see there is a clip. Put a screwdriver or your nail on the edge of the clip where it engages with the panel work and push downwards to release the clip. Rotate the jet up, lift it upwards, and it's now free from being clipped. Holding onto the jet from the underside, turn it sideways and rotate and pull through. In this view it kind of looks like a beetle burying into the ground. To stop them rattling in the bonnet, I've put a couple of little strips of anti-rattle tape on the underside of the washer head. To return the washer nozzle to position, put the tail through the hole first and then rotate so that the beetle's eyes come through. Then rotate round into the correct orientation, move forwards along the bonnet a little, slide backwards and clip the clip back into position. When reconnecting the pipes to the washer jet, I've found the pipes can be a little loose. So as per this picture, I put a small tie wrap around each tube to prevent it from being pulled off. I'll link you to some suitable fir trees for the bonnet pad. Look down in the description. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, give it a like down by the title, and I'll see you next time.